Approved Home Pros is all about providing you with the expert advice that you need to take the stress out of home ownership. But what is it that makes our experts experts? So today I'm here talking with Sean Johnson, our co-founder. This is so exciting, Sean, because our network is built on experts. But let's share with everyone what that really means.
Well, we were founded with expertise and on experts because I had an experience where I was taken advantage of by an unscrupulous contractor, and our first expert, Greg Cantor, is the one that helped found the network. And really, we've expanded by him connecting us to other contractors that he knows that have been in the business for a very long time, and he trusts their expertise.
It's that perfect snowball effect of the good people in the industry know the other good people in the industry, and it just keeps rolling down the hill, and that's how our network has gotten to be the great size that it is now.
Absolutely, and I think people at home can relate to that, because anybody that's in a specific type of business, you know who the good actors are and the less good actors, who cuts corners and who doesn't. Same thing in contracting, and that's how we know the reputations, and we can do the kind of screening and vetting you can't do independently as a consumer. Absolutely,
and that's what's led to our expert approval process. And let's just kind of quickly breeze through what is included in that so that everyone can rest easy.
Sure, yeah, it's a lot of the research that consumers could do themselves, going to the state license board, looking at all those things, their insurance, kind of reputation review, looking at and seeing what kind of reviews are out there. But the main part is the vote of it has to be a unanimous vote of every one of our members to let a new member in. That's what a consumer couldn't do themselves, is call dozens of contractors to get their opinion.
Right, you can call for referrals, but it's not the same as the entire brain tank of our network that you have.
So unanimously.
Unanimously, and of course we offer this service free for homeowners, free for you at home, which is why a very common question that we get is, Sean, how do we make money?
Yeah, we do get that question quite often, because unlike other services where you either have to give them all your personal information and they sell that personal information, which people don't realize oftentimes, or you have to pay a fee to join some kind of a membership club, we are completely free because the contractor, once they've been approved and they've passed the screening and vetting process, they can buy advertising through us, so that's how we make money, is through advertising. But you can't join the network and pay to be in it. It's not a pay-to-play kind of a thing until you've been screened and vetted.
Absolutely, you have to pass the screening process first, and then the opportunities become available. So no matter what you need for your home as a consumer, Approved Home Pros and our experts are here to help. Visit ApprovedHomePros.com today.